Hi guys, this is James. Great news if you use advertisements. Advertsuite is launching 21st January 2022 at 9 a.m. Eastern, so take note of that. Now, I got a quick review of Advertsuite coming up. Before that, check out this powerful demo.
What's up guys, Luke Maguire here. Here's a quick demo video of Advertsuite, and I'm going to show you how you can use this for three key areas. However, you can use it for so many more. I'm going to show you e-commerce, local marketing, and also affiliate marketing as well. So let's just get started. Again, Advertsuite takes all the guesswork out of creating profitable, successful Facebook ads for you by showing you all the different Facebook ads that are running right now in the world, allowing you to find the successful ones and then find out the actual engaged demographics and geographics of that ad, allowing you to then replicate and profit from them. So let's just do a really quick example right now. I'm going to search for ads related to teeth whitening that are connected to a Shopify store. So I'm going to click on Shopify here. I'm going to click on keyword. You can also search for advertisers specifically or even domain names. I'm going to go keyword type and I'm going to type in ad text. I'm going to type in teeth whitening. I search for that right now. Now I can search through country and all these other areas here as well, but I'm going to sort these now by the most likes, just for this example search. And here we go. We can now see the most liked ads running right now related to teeth whitening that are connected to a Shopify store. Again, we can use Magneto or WooCommerce or just e-commerce in general. I'm then going to show you here. Here's an example. Let's do one now. Let's search for nightclubs. Say a local business like a nightclub. Keyword type, ad text again. I'm going to type in nightclub. I'm going to sort by the most likes again in this example. No e-commerce. And I'm going to search for that right now. And now all the nightclub ads around the world are going to appear for me here that have the word nightclub in the ad text, in the ad title. So I can go in here and see what ads are working the best for people advertising nightclubs. And again, as you scroll down, it'll load more and more and more. There's obviously lots of ads related to all niches. We add 10,000 new ads every single day here in Advertsuite. Here's an example using burgers. So if say you're working for a local client that has a burger restaurant or a restaurant in general, again, just typed in burgers and I can see all the different ads in the world related to burgers right now. Now, a really cool thing about this as well is you can then click on the ads in this little question mark here and then go in and find out information about that ad, who has been engaged, where the ad's being targeted to, along with the landing page itself. So if I click on this, it's going to pull up the actual landing page that this ad is being sent to. Boom. This is where they're sending this ad to right now, because again, it's so important to make sure your ad correlates to the landing page, because if that connection isn't right, the conversions aren't going to work. So you can see what is working, so you can just simply replicate what is out there to go out with a successful ad right away. Demographics, the majority of people engaging with this ad in this case are male. You can see all this information, how long they're running it for, how long it's been seen for, what countries it's being targeted. This specific ad is being targeted specifically to India, and the age groups here of 18 to 20 as well. So all this key information means you can just replicate this, so you don't need to test other different areas as well. You can go with what's working right away. Now, again, here's another example. I typed in make money, so we can see all the different make money ads that are online here on Facebook. Again, you can select languages, age groups. You can see if they've got what type of funnel they've got happening, if they're using click funnels, lead pages, so on and so forth. And you can go through these and really break down the type of ads they've got running. Now with the upgrades, the first OTO, which is going to convert like crazy, we don't just allow this for Facebook. The OTO one means they can then do it for Instagram, Google, and YouTube as well. Here, for example, I've typed in the domain and we've used Adidas as the domain here. So I can see all the different ads that Adidas are running for their shoes, for their brands. You can go in here again and filter out, see what's happening on these different ad groups. Again, if I click on the question mark, here, it's going to show me more information about this actual ad. and it's pretty damn simple of how it works. So there we go there. If I want to see the ad itself, simply click learn more, pulls it up here over on Instagram. And I can then see what type of content is working. So again, it takes the guesswork out of it for you. You can see what people are engaging with, what creative people are using, the text the ad's working, that works. So essentially other people are spending money testing so you don't have to. Here is a quick example of marketing on YouTube. So I typed in the keyword marketing, so I can see all the different marketing ads that are on YouTube, and I can then go ahead and filter out according to which ones are getting the most engagement and which ones aren't. You can see this one here, 13,000 likes. So that's a better ad to have to go over and see what they've done there. See the landing page the ad goes to, what their call to action is, versus this one here, which has 0 likes. But it's been seen by 68,000 people and no one's really engaging with that ad itself there. And again, you just keep on scrolling down. Here's Mr. Fred Lamb. You can see what is happening, right? And the titles they use, and this is the information that would really help creating a successful ad, because if you don't know it, you're just trying to guess what titles to use, what text to use, what image to use, what video to use, what age groups to target, what locations to target, if you want it in the news feed or on the sidebar, and what type of ad. Advertsuite removes all that guesswork for you. Here, I'm showing you a Google example again for a local marketing. If you're doing local marketing, I've used surgeon, for example, here. Did the keyword, typed in surgeon here, and you can see all the different surgery ads that are running around the world. Now, again, I haven't selected the country, but you can really start to break it down and see what ads are working. And finally here, I just wanted to show you again, the front end product is the Facebook. So you get Facebook with all this information here for a one-time small investment. The first upgrade, OTO 1, allows you to have Instagram, Google, and YouTube opened as well. You can get unlimited searches. You can favorite ads. You can go in there and play around with any of this. If you need review access right now, I've got it for you guys. Send me a message here. And again, it's just as simple as clicking through these. OTO 2 is going to be our VIP training where I actually show you how to not only use this software in the best way possible, but then how to go out and create really profitable ads through Ads Manager. So anyone that's never done a Facebook ad before, they can take this and take my training and implement it to start making some serious bank. Finally, OTO 3 is going to be our white label version, which again will allow you to remove our Advertsuite logo, put their logo in there, have their own unique login page with their own logo on the login page as if it was theirs. They can generate license keys, they can sell them, rent them, give them away, revoke them, whatever they want. We're giving away 20 license keys for that deal there, and it's an absolute no-brainer. So rather than going on, I want to get this in your hands, give you access to it. We go live on August 21st. We have over $20,000 in no minimum prizes. We have a pre-launch as well. If you need me to do a webinar for you, I'm more than happy to do that. This is something I've been working on for years, and we've finally got to the point now where we are ready to release it. So for anyone doing paid ads or wanting to get the fastest way to get the most amount of traffic to their sites, Advertsuite is for them. So let me give you a review copy. Let me get you set up with anything you need: swipes, bonuses, bonus pages, a few bad jokes from me if you want. Whatever it is you need, let's get it done. And I'm so excited to have you become a part of Advertsuite, which goes live again August 21st at 9 a.m. Eastern. The JV page is advertsuite.com/JV. Message myself or Simon Harris for anything you need at all. And I'm so excited for you to be a part of this. Thanks, guys.
All right, people, let's jump in on the sales page, which is still work in progress, and it may change around upon launch. So let's dive in and pick up some of the goodies about Advertsuite that I'm going to be showing you, and possibly areas that you may need to watch out for before you jump in on this offer. Now, in case you missed out Advertsuite 1.0, so Advertsuite 2.0, which is being launched on the 21st of September 2022. This is the second chance you're going to get to pick this up if you missed it out. So Advertsuite, as you saw from the demo, allows you to profit big from Facebook ads without spending any money testing ads. And you know that when you do Facebook ads, you need to test it to make sure that you get a winning ad. So all that learning curve and the expenses that you need to put in to test these ads are gone with Advertsuite. Now, as you saw from the demo, in 3 steps, you are able to profit from Advertsuite. Target the audience, view the results, and just copy and implement. And with Advertsuite 2.0, you get 80 million Facebook ads from 198 countries, and every day there are 10,000 new ads being shown to you. So let's have a look at why you should invest in Advertsuite. This is the first and largest software of its kind to ensure that you run Facebook ads profitably, right out of the gate. And if you are not aware yet, have a look at these stats. 57% of Facebook users say Facebook ads influence their shopping. 78% of American consumers say they have discovered products from Facebook ads. 28% of users have made a purchase from a Facebook ad. And 93% of social media advertisers use Facebook ads. So if you run a business, then it's pretty obvious that you need to do Facebook ads if you want to make money online. It's as simple as that. So with Advertsuite, all of these questions that you may have are answered and solved. Now, here's one other statistic. 14 million advertisers' ads are shown or are available via Advertsuite. So Advertsuite allows you to see all the ads in any niche. You can instantly view who the ad is targeting and, more importantly, who's engaging with the ad, so you can replicate it. See exactly where the ad is going, where the landing page is, or the sales page. You can replicate the winning ads for your own business. You can remove the guesswork of Facebook ads, generate buyer traffic today with ads, Facebook ads. You can break down by competitor, and it's the world's largest Facebook ads database. Now, there's no way that I can verify this, so we got to take Luke Maguire at his word. You get demographic and engagement filters as well by gender, age, marital status, and location. You get geolocation filters, video and image ad integration feature as well, call to action sorting, ad position filtering, funnel breakdown module, which shows you the winning ads and will also show you the landing pages. Now, guys, Advertsuite also helps you instantly dominate on Instagram, YouTube, and Google Ads with their AI syndication suite. You can even find winning e-com products and ads in any niche. And here's a special feature for those of you who are in affiliate marketing. So guys, here are 4 bonuses that Luke is giving during only the launch week. New ads ongoing every single month with 0 recurring. My Insta domination high ticket course. Facebook, Insta, YouTube font changer. And bonus training webinar series. Well, that's not all, guys. Here are 8 more bonuses that Luke is throwing in as well. Bonus number 1 is Affiliate Zone WP. Bonus number 2 is Ultimate Facebook Integration. Bonus number 3 is Viral Video Box. 4th bonus is 70 Sales Letter Swipe Secret Files. Bonus 5 is WP Slide Bar Pro. Bonus 6 is Survey Logic WordPress plugin. And the final bonus is YouTube Rank Analyzer. So there is a 14-day money-back guarantee, guys. So this is a satisfaction-based guarantee. You can request for your money back if Advertsuite doesn't work for you or you don't like it for whatever reason. And Luke has topped off his guarantee by stating that if you use his software for 60 days and work with the support team and him and still don't get any results, he will double your money back. So it's your choice. Take the 14 days or the 60 days. And the price during this launch week is $67. And this is everything that you get. Here are the OTOs. OTO 1 for $67 is Instagram, YouTube, and Google syndication. OTO 2 for $47 is the VIP training. And OTO 3 going for $197 is a 20 account reseller license. There you go, guys. I hope that quick walkthrough and review of Advertsuite has shown you the power of this tool in boosting your business and that of your clients as well. Now, check out the link below and discover the bonuses that I have lined up for you when you pick up Advertsuite through my link. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications so that you will be notified of all future videos like these. And I wish you great success with Advertsuite.